Welcome. This is a Mr. P's Kicky Quickie video. You are about to see how you can easily create an ebook cover. The process takes only minutes and it is free.
Step 1. Go to Pixabay, which is a free image site. Type in the kind of image that you want for your cover. When you see the image you want, click on it. Download your image. Step 2. Go to Pixlr, which is a free photo editing site. Click on Open Image. Upload your image from Pixabay.
Add text, customize text. Save and download.
Step 3. Go to Adaze, scroll down, click on Free Book Mockup Creator. Fill in your email, upload your Pixlr image. Next, click on Download your free mockup. As you can see, you have a professional quality ebook cover in minutes with zero cost. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, if you found value in this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. I invite you to join this channel, so you will know whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you again. I will see you in the next video.